Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block users in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you really need to do is just to go to accesses or just the settings of your profile. And to do that, you will be needing just to go to your profile picture. So from here, we will be able to find our profile picture, and basically we will be needing like just to go to the settings so we can go and block users. So here you have many sections in the menu or the side menu. And basically you have like the general information or the general settings. You have access settings, code planning, automation, security, etc. Now we are supposed like to go to accesses, and from here we will be needing like just to go to moderation. So in the moderation we will be finding like three other options: code review limits, interaction limits, and blocked user. So basically here we will find all the blocked user, and from here you will be able to block users. So as you can see, blocking a user prevents the following on all your repository. That means when you block a user, they won't be able to open or comment in on PR or issues. They won't be able to start or fork or watch your repository, and they won't be able to add or edit in wiki pages. And basically, also like the blocked user won't be able to invite you as collaborator or follow your accounts or anything. And now, all you will be needing to do is like just search for the user, and it can be any user. So from here, we will need just to choose the user and click on block user. And by clicking on block user, it will be blocked. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.